Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics. Check your Windows edition and whether the app is 32-bit or 64-bit, because you must match the redistributable. Once you've installed all pending Windows updates and rebooted, download the Visual C++ redistributable 2015-2019 package that fits your system. This is the only legitimate source for the Api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll dependency. Do it now so subsequent steps can rely on a consistent runtime foundation. After downloading, right-click the Visual C++ installer and run it as administrator. If the package is present, pick Repair so all CRT files are correctly registered. Once done, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to detect and restore corrupted system files. This repairs missing DLL references. If SFC cannot complete fixes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image, then rerun SFC. These steps ensure the runtime and system files align properly. Reboot the PC and launch the application. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall the app after you've repaired the runtime so installers can register DLLs correctly. If problems continue, inspect Event Viewer for module load failures and exact paths. That tells you whether another program or antivirus blocked the DLL. If nothing works, perform a system restore to a known good point. This often undoes updates or changes that introduced the missing Api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.